Maktudu para hupotlu inagwagwa ilahi kontra Titania, dai haga kontra Nananya, dai detna kontra Sokra. Buenas san saludo, si CHamoru, da på'go by hu taitaiginin leplun salmo tatlu. Again, this is from the Black y Santa Biblia from 1908. So the orthography is going to be very old-fashioned, but you can find the entire contents of this Bible at ChamoruBible.org. And what's also neat is that they'll have audio recordings of some of the chapters too. So I have found that really helps that really helps me with my pronunciation and my accent. Okay, ni tatutuhun Psalm 130. Isumen hidung ni tinatdung naihu agenghao, o Jehovah. Jehovah, ekunguk I inagenghu. Potlu datalangatmu siha u ekeng giinageng iginagauhu. Zengenmon un matka I tinaila di siha, Jehovah hadi utokwi. Logwaha inasii gitahagu para un mamatnyagwi. Hunanenga si Jehovah iantihu mananenga, dai sinanganya hunanenga. Antihu hananenga si Jehovah, mas ki igwadia siha ni mananenga I egaan, magae na mas ki igwadia siha mananenga I egaan. O Israel, nenga si Jehovah, sagias Jehovah guaha minaasi, da idagida na megay na inalibri. Da guida una libri Israel toru gitina ladinia. That's the end of the psalm. This one was 8 verses only, so really easy and simple to identify like the words. But this one did not have audio recordings. There was the word mama anyagwi. I'm not sure if there's a typo there or if it's really meant to have like those 2 consecutive A's. Yeah, not sure how it's pronounced, not sure if that's the correct spelling, but I tried my best. And then finally, I also wanted to just share a few of my thoughts today. As I said in my last video, it's kind of going to be something that I try to do in these videos, kind of like a diary, but I'm editing out some bits that are a little too, maybe not personal, but just things that I don't necessarily want to share and want to put out in public. Although this is a pretty intimate look into what's going on in my familial relations right now. Okay. Hinasso-ku på'go. Gai minagem si Jesus. Siyempre gaigi si Jesus gi banda I mampiniti. Tata na gaigi gi banda I manmetgut, I mangefsaga, I manmalamanya. Ileknya si Jesus, mas gusi un kemedu malofen gi matanhaguha, kiun rikui halum girainan Zeus. Guaha manaulit kumu Americano, por ejemplo, teseri toru tautasia umahongi maseo hafa minalagoniha, Kilistano du lo puti krasonhu enginileknyan ochuna kilistano tidahu kumuentus put politika. Imensahi si Jesus ilina lanya zani fina tainya puruhat politika. Sen mamopli itatati zani familianya si Jesus sa tainina sinya gipapa Rome. Mapuna si Jesus sa sindalusia gi Rome zani mamali. Manaatuk siya I mangatsongnya si Jesus desti gubetno después di finatainya. Puruhat politika. Pues på'go mumumuham zani manyainao put toruini. Buenti esti depotsihat. Ileknya si Jesus maktudu para hupotlu inagwagwa ilahi kontra Titania, dai haga kontra Nananya, dai detna kontra Sokra. Hasta manazan. Adios. Para un mamaanyagui, para un mamaanyagui.